everyone. In this video, I am going to show you an activity on nouns or different types of nouns. The name of our activity is Noun Spin Wheel. Let's start. Here our noun spin wheel is ready. So let's play. I divided the wheel into 5 parts, and in each part I have written the names of different types of nouns like collective noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, common noun and proper noun. Now see how to play this game. You just spin the wheel and wait until it stops. And now see the direction of the arrow. Yes, the arrow is showing collective noun. So here the player has to name a collective noun like a pride of lions. And if the player is right, then give 1 point to him or her. Now it's turn for the second player. Spin the wheel. Now the arrow is pointing at common noun. So the player has to name a common noun like boy. So like this, spin the wheel and play the game continuously to make your concept clear on the topic nouns. And for better learning, first you know the topics clearly. And for that, you can watch my videos on nouns and its types also. And then make the wheel and play this game to make your concept clear. So learn English with fun. I hope all of you have enjoyed this video. And if you want more videos like this, then click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you.